Hello, my name is Pedro Rivera. I'm a professor in the Department of Engineering at Lancaster University. I hold a Royal Academy of Engineering chair, and the focus of my chair is alloy and microstructure design for additive layer manufacturing. What does this mean? What this means is that we try to conceive new metallic systems that can be 3D printed. We focus on laser technologies, and we design powder metals that can be 3D printed to create new, elaborate, sophisticated engineering components, such as turbine blades, tooling, or parts of tooling for the production of components, or perhaps applications such as medical devices, for example, medical implants.